corporate mission statements offer zero direction to the people actually building the software. They are forgettable wish lists patched together by committee. As a product manager, you are entirely responsible for the success or failure of what your team ships. Yet you have zero formal authority to issue orders to the engineers who write the code. You cannot force them to care about the product. Without a strong, unifying vision to guide those engineers, teams inevitably fall victim to the frequently bias. This is the habit of prioritizing whatever feature was requested most frequently, or most recently, by the loudest customer in the room. The result is a bloated, chaotic product backlog. The team tries to please everyone, bolting on random requests until the product becomes a tangled mess that fails to solve the actual problem. To win an engineering team's loyalty and focus, a product manager has to replace the noise of that backlog with a clear, logical narrative about the future. You have to paint a picture of a specific reality you are going to build together. A true product vision is a structural survival tool. It is the filter you use to block out daily distractions and align an entire team around a single, highly intentional trajectory. An effective product vision is constructed from 3 distinct load-bearing pillars that take you from a macro-level market problem down to micro-level execution. Looking at this product management workflow diagram, the massive market problem arrow anchors the entire process. Pillar 1 dictates that your vision must originate right there, by identifying an unresolved market problem. You are looking for a friction point that affects millions of people or costs businesses billions of dollars, rather than inventing technology for the sake of it. Solving this means identifying a core human need. If you are building a social app, the literal function might be posting status updates, but the human need is feeling connected to friends and family. The vision has to target that connection. Pillar 2 requires the vision to be uniquely memorable and emotional. It needs to be a bold hook that people actually want to talk about. A minor update, like tighter software integration, will never rally an engineering team through a difficult sprint. Pillar 3 provides the grounding. A bold idea requires a believable execution path. You must articulate exactly how your team's specific data or your unique interface will actually solve that problem. When you combine these 3 pillars, the vision acts as a bridge connecting a massive, abstract human problem directly to the concrete, day-to-day coding tasks required to fix it. We can test this structural framework against the highly volatile, rapidly changing environment of modern artificial intelligence products. The most common trap for product managers today is building a superficial interface around an existing AI model, simply because the underlying technology is currently popular. By utilizing proprietary data to eliminate manual labor in a specialized sector, you change how that industry's margins and competition actually work. To avoid trend chasing, ask your team the ultimate diagnostic question: will this specific feature still be relevant and valuable in 5 years? Because AI algorithms evolve in a matter of months, a durable vision anchors to the enduring human problem, not whatever specific technical model happens to be dominating the news cycle today. In environments where the technology shifts rapidly, a strictly problem-centric vision is the only shield you have to prevent your entire product roadmap from becoming obsolete in 6 months. For elite product managers, defining that 5-year visionary future is only the first step. To make it actionable, they rely on objectives and key results, or OKRs. This creates a measurable bridge connecting a dreamy, long-term vision to the harsh reality of next month's product launch. Establishing these clear numerical metrics empowers the engineering team. When everyone knows exactly how success is measured, developers independently evaluate, filter, and prioritize new ideas without needing constant oversight. On this diagram, you can see how the roadmap block translates those prioritized metrics into a comprehensible timeline for leadership and investors. The roadmap sits exactly at the handoff point, where macro business strategy is converted into micro-technical requirements for the development team. When a sharp product vision is tightly paired with uncompromising metrics, it transforms abstract strategy into a repeatable, market-driven development engine. You can test this structure on your own work right now. Start by drafting your product vision in plain conversational language. Then, ruthlessly audit that draft. Cut out every single piece of corporate jargon and every trendy buzzword. Take the ultimate acid test. Pitch the revised vision to the most cynical engineer on your team. If they don't immediately ask how to start building it, the vision is a failure. Product managers coordinate the work of engineers, designers, and marketers to determine what we build next. Focusing on the market's future problems allows a team to move beyond a simple list of features. Explore our PM and AI training to see how to implement these strategic frameworks in your own roadmap.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.